everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. I decided to make this broadcast live and open to the public, and the video will be posted publicly because it is Valentine's Day, and at times that can be a challenge for people. So, today we're going to talk about love. And we're going to start by focusing on our heart chakra. Now you will notice this little baby bowl that's hiding behind the big heart bowl is the brain bowl. And that size difference is important in this conversation today. So put your left hand on your heart center. Close your eyes gently. Take a very deep breath into your heart. And as you breathe into your heart, slow the rate of breathing down. Select the memory that makes your heart giggle. And invite this sacred giggle to expand throughout your entire body and around your body. And then direct the gratitude energy up into your head. Your grateful heart is calling out to your brain to come join the dance. Eventually they come into a place of harmony, of partnership, of synergy that's bigger than either of them alone. And take this energy and run it through your entire body. Eyes remaining closed, you're going to bring your attention back down into your heart. And you're going to breathe into the energy of the inner child part of you, the original part of you that is always asking to be loved. First Valentine. Just with your hand on your heart chakra. Take a moment to give this child an energetic hug and a whispered "I love you." And a moment of gratitude for the beauty that the inner children continue breathing, I invite you and your inner child to take a look outside of yourselves. To look into a place in nature that you especially like, or that you've always wanted to visit. And notice how you experience this sacred space. Notice whether you see it, feel it, sense it, know it, smell it, hear it. Notice if the wind is blowing, if you can feel that breeze on your face. Notice if there are trees or ocean or lake or mountains or desert. And notice the animals that are around you. Notice that Mother Nature is inviting you, excuse me, to embrace the beauty and the love that she has for you. The warmth or the cold, the breeze or the stillness. Take a moment to be present to the vibrational frequency of nature. And feel the love that she has for you in the beauty that she is. And bring this frequency into your heart and add it to your head and run that through your entire body to connect you with nature, with the planet that we live on. Take this sacred energy and broadcast it out of your heart to all of the people, animals, things that you love about your life, past, present, or future. Bring it all into the present moment. Be the sacred conduit for love. And the beauty of being a conduit for love, a hollow bone, is that you get a beautiful dose of it yourself as you're activating it and sending it out into the world. Bring your consciousness back into the sacred space of your heart. And the I love yous that you have or have had for anything and anybody in your life. And just broadcast that out like you're blowing a big bubble. And add your beauty and your love to the mix, the sacred mix on this planet. And take a few more deep breaths and come back into the room that you're in. Become present to the outside world as you open your eyes. And we're going to close this with the Ho'oponopono prayer mantra. I love you. I apologize. Please forgive me. Thank you. And thank all of you. Have a fantastic Valentine's Day. And may every day be Valentine's Day in the way that you love yourself.